Linsy Home, founded in 2014, who focus on furniture for younger generation. We are committed to be first choices of furniture for young consumer. We insist on 8 styles of product strategy for meeting consumers' requirement, engaging in high-cost performance, various styles of furniture, new products to quickly meet the changing trend of the market, strict quality management, product differentiation, creative product. The topic of our brand is make our life more exquisite and interesting. Create more diversified choices of furniture styles with high-cost performance for young consumers. We have modern series, Euro series, children's series, Korean series, American series, country series, multi-style product layout. Create diversified lifestyle needs and exciting living space for global young consumer. We service for millions family in Chinese market. Keep on our sale to be #1 in Tmall online furniture market for many years. We won the Tmall Furniture Online Market Sales Championship by amount 0.98 billion during 11/11 Shopping Festival in this year. Linsy Home in large overseas market.
Now Toto gonna tell you about the safety and the health measures that they take in the company.
Yeah, exactly. And you know we have the tags for the temperature.
Yes.
Yeah. Here we have the machine, and when you go through, so the machine will automatically
give the temperature.
Yeah, give the temperature.
You can see yours here.
Yeah. So this is for the safety. So we make sure everybody they come here they're healthy.
Yeah,
for sure.
It's really important.
Yes. So as today you are my VIP guest.
Thank you so much.
Okay, so I wanted to get the visitor entrance card for you.
Okay.
So let's go. You know, as usually every friends and every stranger when they come to Linsy, they should have a visitor card. So, hello.
Hello.
Good afternoon. So may I have the visitor entrance?
Okay.
Yeah.
Let me sign my name.
So we can just sign the information and do the register and to get our visitor card. Yeah. So it's done.
I'm officially a visitor at Linsy Home Furniture Company.
Yeah.
Let's go?
Okay. Okay. Okay, here we are.
Okay. Here we are.
Okay, here this is from the first step of how to produce, especially for the cabinets, like a composite cabinet, like what you see the TV.
Yeah.
You see the TV, right? You see the red one. How we produce? Now we will go from the first step.
Okay. So what is the first step?
The first step we will do the opening. We said we will cut the materials at the pieces.
Okay.
And when you see here, from the right hand to the left hand, this is a different way, different projection for different materials.
Oh, okay.
For example, the two sides is for the solid wood, for solid wood cutting, and the middle side especially for the composite wood, like the MDF, the barbecue board, and the plywood. Okay, so let's from the composite wood.
Let's go. Okay.
Yeah,
so you can see here.
Yeah, you can see. This is the pieces what we cut. This is just the pieces what we cut before. Yeah.
And this is after.
Yes, exactly. So it's made by this edge bending machine.
That's amazing.
Yeah. So you will see such a big machine. We don't need so many persons. We don't need so many staff because the machine they can help us a lot. So we just need 2 person or even 1 person here. They can handle all the things. You see from this side, our staff they put these materials to the machine from the beginning, and like the surrounding this U shape. The U shape after this, by the end of here, this is done. The edge bending four sides. Yeah. So one round finish.
Okay.
Okay.
That's great.
Yeah. This is the machine, the bigger capacity.
Bigger.
Yes,
it's bigger.
And how big is it? When you put the machine, when you put the materials inside, So one time it can finish all the hole for 6. So this is the six sides of the whole jewelry.
You can see here from this first step, and after here we have the different holes.
And this is only one time finish.
Yes, one time and it's
so it's very fast and accurate. So this is the machine, you see. So when we have the fast order and how to say the mass production orders, we need everything is the same size.
Okay.
So we will use this machine. We make it everything is like just 1 or 2 second finish.
Okay, that's amazing.
Yes.
So fast.
Yes. Yes. And in fact, after the cleaning or before the cleaning, we will do the pre-assembling.
Yeah.
So before we do the packaging.
Yeah, right.
We will do the
over there.
Yeah. So we go to see to checking every connection, every hole is matched.
Right.
So we will do the test.
Yeah,
we will take some of the products, the ready products, and then we will put it here in this area.
Yeah, so here they have different pieces, and actually you will see they're gonna try to assemble each pieces, and if they match together, they're gonna go to the cleaning, then to the packaging here. So let's go and let's see how it is.
Yeah. And here we are doing one assembling for the bed.
So as you can see, the man is working on the bed. He's assembling each pieces, trying to see if they all match together, if they're well fixing. And when it's done, he's gonna like remove them. They go to cleaning, packaging, and shipping.
Yes, exactly. So before our deliver, when we check everything, it's not 100% perfect. We will go back from the beginning.
Okay.
So here we are this is the usual process. This is the usual process. I mean, every product we produce. So not only from 1 to 4. Okay. We will have the QC. We will have the qualification guy.
Right.
Yeah. They will check all the quality and control the quality. And you know, all the master. Every staff here, they're working for Linsy for more than 10 years.
Wow, that's
so they
amazing.
Are not leaving. They're not leaving. So every person is not only a worker.
Right.
Yeah, he is a supervisor. So he can do everything, and he also is a controller.
That's
for the
nice.
quality.
It's like a big family, you know.
Yeah.
So anyway, here it's a bit more quiet. So we're gonna quickly review the 4 steps that we have. The first step is the opening with the cutting of raw material. The second step is the edge bending. The first step is the hole drilling. And the fourth step is the cleaning. And then before cleaning, we're gonna do the assembly to check.
Yeah.
And when it's done, we go cleaning and then packaging, ready to ship.
Yeah. So we will go to have a look how to package.
Yeah, let's go.
So if everything is good, so we will confirm we can deliver.
Yeah.
Then we will have the packaging here.
Here they're putting some protection to protect the wood, and then they're packing in the cartoon, and then they're just scotching it, and it's ready. Here you can see, it's ready to
we can come close. We can come close
let's go
to
closer.
this detail. How do we pack? And by the way, we will have the corner protection.
Yes.
For all the corner, we will have this cartoon to protect it. Oh my God.
Yeah, so here, after putting the wood, they're gonna put the protection.
Yeah.
And then more protection so that it doesn't break when we're shipping. And they have the cartoon. And here the lady gonna put the corners that she showed you, the cartoon corners, for more protection.
Yeah.
And as you can see, by not only putting the wood, but also the plastic bars, like all the pieces that go together to make the furniture.
And you know, before we do the R&D department, they also studied well how to make the production, how to make the packaging, how to make it in a very smaller and more scientific of the package.
Yeah, that's really clever. I think
because
that's
you
really
know the client, they will also care about the size, the packing size. They don't want it to bigger. They want it to as much as they can save the space.
Yeah, so that when they buy a container, they have more quantity. And here we are on the first floor. What is the first floor about?
Yeah, this third floor is especially for the sofa.
Yes.
Sofa and the bed.
Okay.
And here also, again, we will start from our R&D department, because all the sofa and the bed, before they do the production, here is like a lamp to how to to check how we produce.
Okay.
And
it's actually really interesting. Right. It's actually really interesting because all the sofa and the furniture that you can see here, they're actually new collection. They're not even in the catalog, right?
Yes.
So it's, as she said, the research and development, these are all new design, new quality, and new styles.
Okay. First of all, we will show you how our master, they produce.
Okay.
They create the
so
sofa.
Teach me, how can I create my own sofa?
Maybe you should spend many years. But here you will see our master, how they draw, how they
are cutting the patterns, right?
Yes, exactly.
That's so fascinating.
They're making the drawing here and to the first
side. So they are cutting the pattern so that after how to cut the clothes, and so that they can, you see, as you can see here, they are putting the clothes on this bed or sofa or any other furniture.
Yeah. So after they making this drawing, they will start from making one set.
Okay.
They do it like the initial sample.
Right.
Okay. So we will do like the sofa from the frame, making the frame and making the base and forming.
It's actually really interesting. Did you know how is the sofa inside without clothes? As you can see here, this is a sofa.
Yeah.
It doesn't have any clothes, but this is an actual sofa.
You can see many lines here. Yeah.
You can
see many lines here. This is our study, and
here
make the design of the outside finish.
Yes, the maceration, and also as you can see, there's different colors of sponge because each sponge have a different
density.
Right, there's different soft density and softness. This, for example, this one is like really soft and thin. This is thicker and it's harder, so that you can be so comfortable when you sit on your sofa here. Oh my God. I don't even need clothes. I can just buy this sofa.
I know you will enjoy many sofa here because most of them all of them is not in the sale, not on sale
yet. I can tell you the designs they have are amazing. They're so beautiful. You never see such sofa on the market. Me neither, actually.
Yeah, and also they have the target. Like every month they will create at least 200. 200 sets.
200 every month. Yeah. That means you can demand any kind of sofa, you're gonna have it.
But you know, they also have a very strict of the treatment and very strict of the judgment to check all the sofa. Is it this sofa is good or not for the market? Is it good for the market? Is it everything, the quality is good, or how they feel, the people they like?
Sure.
So this is a very long processing. They need to study.
Right, and what is really interesting is like actually, well, you can see on the videos or on the different products that we have in our catalog, but they have different style of sofa, Chinese style, European style, and also like even like monarchy style. This is so fascinating. So you can literally have any style for any kind of market, Arabic style, European style, Latin style, Middle East style, every style of sofa or bed, and this is amazing.
And also if the client, you have the very special order, if you wanted to do the customize, you can just send us the inquiry and we will do from the R&D, research and the design for you from the A to Z.
Yes, actually you're gonna see later they have a huge team of designers just for this sofa and bed and for actually to answer your demand.
Yes, exactly. So we have a very special on the power to do the customized capability. This is our different to the other traditional company. Maybe the traditional company, the traditional home furniture company, they just do what they can do. But here we can do what you want us to do. So this is the big difference.
In any way, as we say, the customer is a king. So you can ask whatever you want. They will do your wish actually.
Okay. And here we start from, this is the R&D. If all the products we already done and we check this is good for the market, we wanted to launch on the online, then we will do the mass production.
Okay, that's amazing.
So we go from this way and show you to do a lot of the test.
And actually you can see there's different style. Here you have like a golden style and beige, more monarchy, more royalty. Here there's a more modern style with the wood here and the leather. This is amazing. I definitely need to buy a bed or a sofa here. Here you also have different colors, different patterns, different size.
Yeah.
This is big, this is smaller. And also, as she said, you can have customized sofa bed, you can have it big, smaller, anything you want with any material that you would like to have.
If you wanted a more soft, or maybe if you wanted more harder,
yeah.
you can just let us know, because we will do according to all your require. And you know that we can adjust density of the foam.
Yes.
We will use a different
It can
foam.
be lower or higher.
Yeah. We have a different standard.
And look at this pillow, how amazing it is, with half leather and half material. This is an amazing pillow with different colors. Let me know in the comments which style do you prefer. Are you more leather? Are you more like textile like this? Do you prefer like this with 3 colors, or are you just one plain color? Do you like printing? Just let us know what would you like to see and what kind of style do you like to have in your house as a home furniture.
Yeah.
So where are we going now?
We will going to see how we do the mass production.
Oh.
Okay, after the R&D department, when they finish and when they confirm this order,
Yeah.
these products can launch
Yeah, sure.
in the market, then we will go exactly for the mass production.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's go.
So we start from here. Here, this is we making the frame for the sofa.
Okay.
As I explained to you in the first ground.
Right.
In the ground floor,
Yeah.
we have making some part of some area. We making the cutting pieces for the solid wood.
Sure.
Okay, and that area is belongs to for the solid for this sofa frame.
Okay.
And after the making the small pieces, cutting the small pieces for the sofa, and they will put up here to start the frame, making the framing.
So here we're gonna do the frame for the sofa, as she said, and they're gonna do the filling. And at the end, we're gonna see the whole process, from the frame, filling, to even wearing the clothes, to the final packaging, ready to ship.
And by the way, we use most of the solid wood is the pine wood, the pine solid wood, and this is the new wood. We never use any like the mixed wood or any composite wood or any old wood. We will select the new one, the new pine wood for making the frame. So later when you see the inside of our frame, you will see very clean. Very clean. And even you will not see any dusty or any sharp of the edge. Every sharp, every corner, they already polished.
Oh, that's amazing.
Yeah.
You can see here already, here I have a frame already done.
Yeah.
Here is the frame of the sofa. As you can see here, they have some curves for a special shape, like this.
You will see the frame here is very clean. It's very clean. And not have any more sharp edge or anything on the surface. Even this is only inside, but we care about the detail, even inside. So from the inside to the outside.